Hello, very good morning everyone. This is Mahesh Bharadwaj. Today we will discuss a very important chapter, that is a solid state. Solid state is a very important chapter for class 12th. So we will discuss here the chapter solid state. What are solids? Solids are the chemical substance which are characterized by definite shape and volume, rigidity, high density and low compressibility. So you cannot compress a solid. If you want to compress it, then it may compress to the small extent. If we want to add something else, that is the constituent particles in solids, that could be atoms, ions or molecules, are closely packed and held together by strong interparticle force of attraction. That is why they having the high density, low compressibility, high rigidity, they having definite shape and they having the definite volume. Here we will discuss the type of solids. The solids are of two types. First, that is a crystalline solid and another is amorphous solid. If we discuss how the crystalline solid is different than that of the amorphous solid, then we will find out that crystalline solid and amorphous solids are very different from each other. For example, if we say in crystalline solid, these have definite and regular arrangement of constituent particle in space, whereas in case of amorphous, these doesn't have any regular arrangement of constituent particle in space. Similarly, if we say in case of crystalline solids, they are known as true solid because they have the definite shape and particles are orderly arranged, whereas amorphous are supercooled liquid such as glass, or we can say pseudo solid. For example, eraser is a pseudo solid. Next, these have long order arrangement of particles, whereas it having short order arrangement of particles. If we discuss, the crystalline solid are show anisotropic in nature. It means their physical property are different in different direction. Their physical property are different in different direction. Such as if we want to measure the refractive index will be different in different direction. Similarly, in case of isotropics, their all physical properties are same in all the direction. Amorphous are isotropic and crystalline are anisotropic. If we discuss the melting point, then the crystalline solid have sharp melting point, whereas amorphous is having a range of temperature at which they can melt. Here we will discuss, this is a diagram which shows the anisotropy, because atoms are arranged in a regular pattern. Here anisotropy is due to the different number of particles are present in different direction. Different number of particles are present in different direction. That is why they are showing the anisotropy. Here we will say this is isotropy. What is isotropy? Isotropy, you will observe that they having same particles. These are the number of particles are same in all the direction. Here as well as here, they having the same number of particles. Whereas in this case, they having the different particle in this direction and they having the different particle in this direction. They having the different particle in this direction. It means it is anisotropic and this is isotropic. Here we will discuss. We will see that there are different crystals are present. This is the crystal of ice, this is the crystal of salt, and this is the crystal of sugar. So there are the various form. Now we will discuss On the basis of bonding, a crystalline solid may be of following four types. What are these four types? These four types are, first we will discuss the molecular solid. What are molecular solids? Molecular solids constitutes of atoms as well as molecules. It possesses three types of force of attraction. These force of attraction, first is London dispersion, second is dipole-dipole interaction, and third is hydrogen bonding. Their properties, they are fairly soft, low to moderately high melting point, poor thermal and electrical conduction. Their example is argon. Argon is a noble gas which possesses the London dispersion, whereas the molecule, that is CO2, dry ice, they all are producing the dipole-dipole. They also produce a weak force of attraction. Now the second type of solid is covalent solid. This is a covalent solid. In covalent solids, particles which are participants are majorly atoms which are connected by a covalent bond. So here force of attraction between the two atoms is the covalent bond. They are very hard. They having high melting point. They often poor thermal and electrical conductor. इसमें एक exception है. There is a one exception, that is graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. This is the best example is diamond. Diamond is a covalent solid which is very hard. Similarly, this is the third type of solids. This is known as ionic solids. Ionic solid, obviously it will consist of positive and negative ions. Positive ions are known as cation, whereas negative ion is known as anion. In positive and negative ion are attracted by a strong electrostatic force of attraction. They are hard, they are brittle, they are high melting point, they have a poor thermal and electrical conduction. The type of salts are NaCl, and calcium nitrate. Now last type is metallic solid. Metallic solids. Metallic solid is also consists of atom, but it is different from the covalent solids because its atom are only metals. So all the metal atom are bound by a strong metallic bond. They are very soft to very hard. They are having low to very high melting point. They are excellent thermal and electrical conductor. You already know all the metals are good conductor of heat as well as electricity. They are malleable, they are ductile. All metallic elements are metallic solid. So this is a few introduction. This is very small introduction about the solids. We will discuss this chapter whole in the next few videos. Hope you will like this video. If you like, then you will subscribe my channel. Otherwise, you will be lagging behind in the class. So students, it is very nice to interact with you. Hope you will understand it. That is what are solids and what are the different type of solids. So thank you. Thanks a lot.